Welcome back to a lecture series on GIS. So in this lecture now what we are going to discuss about the conversion tools. The conversion tools contains tools that convert data from various sources. You have many databases like contain tools that convert between various format like raster to vector or vector to raster. There are this tool is being used add the data. You want to convert the formats, use conversion tool in ArcGIS or Arc Toolbox, and you can also do your conversion from feature to line as well as feature to polygon and KML to layer or layer to KML, and all these things which we can do it in this exercise. Now we will see one by one, feature to line or feature to polygon or KML to, or you can also bring a polygon to line or line to polygon. It is both. It means it is both. And in the Arc Toolbox it is there. You go to features. In the data management tool, you have to go to features. You just check, and in the future there are many options, like that all the conversions are there. All this feature to line to feature, feature to polygon, the KML to other form, and KML from other form to KML. Everything is available. Let us see one by one in this present exercise. So conversion tool is the tool which you have to take it from the data management. Conversion tool, you have to take it from conversion toolbox, and you see, you look at that, here it is from GPS, from KML to what? From KML to GeoKML, from PDF. No, so many options are available. We will explore one by one. KML to layer, layer to KML, everything that can be done it in this exercise. Now for that you have to open the data. Already we have set up work for our PhD scholars output. This is the the zones which buffered on both side of the coast and on the coast, and so this is the area what now we are going to discuss about is. Now first we are going to change from polygon to, now bathymetry is taken. Bathymetry is in the form of polygon, and this bathymetry, now I am going to convert the bathymetry into a line feature. So this is the bathymetry. These bathymetry details are taken, and these bathymetry details are now going to overlaid with the bathymetry is taken now, and you see you have to take conversion tools. Now you have to go to features, and here feature to line. Your polygon feature you want to convert into line. Polygon is a feature. Polygon feature, now we are going to take it up. If you double click, give input file as a polygon, and output file automatically it takes, and you have to show the locations where you want to keep your files and give OK. So it takes only 2 seconds. You see on the bottom there is a processing. Now it's the process is over for the conversion from polygon to line. So this part is now over. Conversion from a, you just check, if you click any of the line, only it will be like a segment, it will come. Previously when you select, it will come as a polygon. Now if you select any of the feature, all the features will be coming as a line feature. Now open the table and look at that, many lines are there. It is a line feature, and you just close it. Whatever the field which you have selected in the map, which is highlighted here in the attribute table, whatever you select, automatically here also it will change in the attribute table, and it will show the length of the line. And you can also do the vice versa, reverse. Now we will do the reverse, feature to polygon. Now from the line what we have prepared, now we will change from feature to polygon, and similarly you have to go to the conversion tool, feature to polygon, features, data management, feature to polygon. You have to select the line feature here, Now you already set the path. You see it takes a few seconds at the bottom. You look at it. Now the polygon has come. Yes, it will take less than a second, less than 20 second to give the results. So this is the conversion from polygon to polyline or line to polygon. And similarly, we will see the other part also. Now, because of the polygon, it gives the area. So the area is now very clear that how you are going to use this area for your studies, right? Yes, all the polygons and lines are coming, and this can be used for the practical studies like research and everything. Right now, KML is very important. That whatever we do with the Google Earth engine, the KML file, you can bring it to a layer, or you can bring a layer to a KML. We'll do one by one. A layer to KML first. So in that, we have to go to conversion tool. In the conversion tool, you have to take layer to KML. To KML. You have to take 2 KML. So once if you take 2 KML, so that you have to show the layer, automatically this will convert and you can take to your real system. Layer to KML, you just double click and show your layer. Bathymetry, you give the polygon file, and then now it is to KML file. Give the output file, nothing else. You just simply give OK. And now you keep it in the desktop so that you can superpose automatically into your world data, Google Earth data. So I'll just make it as Bathy. Give OK. So I'm saving it in the desktop to show you that how that is being opened in the Google Earth engine. So I'll close this window. Yes, this is my desktop window. This desktop window, I'm just bringing the Bathy line. I'm just double clicking the Bathy line. So you simply give continue. You see it is now the Bathy information is now taken into real system, and it is exactly fixed over this. You see, this is the southern part of the study area. One of my scholar did. Dr. Sudhakar, his work is this how we are now bringing the KML file. Then we can also digitize here, and that we will also see. You can zoom it and check uncheck of the polygon on the landslide and check whether what is your results, whether erosion is correct or deposition is correct. Everything that we can check it. You see, so many polygons are there. You can check in, check out. Every polygon list also. See, if you remove, you will know that which polygons is now unchecked. Unchecked, it means not appeared in the window. That is how the software system is now working. And this has got a lot of applications that you just check. You can also move your cursor and then click it over a particular polygon. What will happen? It will show you the ID of the particular polygon. And once if you know the ID of the particular polygon, you uncheck and automatically you know that you will be able to see the bottom transparent. You style as a color, you make it none. Only just give outline and then check on the bottom. And this is how we do with the conversion from KML to what is that layer to KML. The KML is being opened in the ArcGIS. You can change the color as you wish. Now look at that, zoom it, and then check with reference to various land use system and whatever the interpretation you do, either with water or with rock or with erosion or with disaster, whatever the way in which you are expecting the results will be interpreted very quickly from the satellite data. Yes, that is the ability of satellite technology. Remote sensing technology coupled with the GIS will provide enormous amount of information for our studies. Yes. Now, similarly, zoom it to the full extent. And you also can digitize over that. I forgot to tell you that I will do it now. Now the coastal regions are empty. Here also I have made it as a coastal regions are empty. Now I can take digitizing the layer, KML layers. You see, I'm just giving some title. I'm going to digitize the roads here. Now before that I have to select, I have to create, or I have to select some layers. So I am just adding the layer now as a land. Once in the layer, if it is added as a land work, I am just adding. I can add here like a polygon or a point or a line. Now I'm just taking a polygon feature. Maybe line feature is good for making a road map. So I'm taking a road map here. So roads, if I put, and I can select the different colors of which I'm interested in displaying it over here. Just raise the width so that it will be of more visible when you are doing your digitization. I'm just increasing the width, zooming out, zooming in, and I'm going to digitize now with this. So right click properties, and then in that, if I am doing a digitization, it will come. So now I am digitizing the roads from the Google Earth engine, and this is the KML file. From this KML file I can convert it into the Google file, right? This is KML automatically generated, not converted. I mean, we have digitized whatever the work in Google Earth. Once if we do give OK, now roads are coming in the new digitized layer. You also can type, what is that, point features. So this is the second road. The second road also I'll be able to do it by correcting the measures. The measures are corrected here. I mean, the second roads are digitized. The second roads are digitized, and similarly I also can save it. And I can also take a point and then do point registration. So points I'm keeping over here, and you keep somewhere in Vipar and you type the name as Vipar. So automatically this will be displayed in the map. Do OK. Take the other part of it and then keep it over here, and then give the title as you wish. As you wish. Automatically this also will come. Sankaraperi. Give OK. Give OK. And similarly, all this is has been taken here. All this is being taken here. It is like changing. You can save as a KML file. As a KML file in the top of it. Like whatever the KML file you use, you just save it. You just save it here. There is a bit of disturbance. And this land is a KML file. Now you have to convert this KML file to layer file. That is the second part of, the last part of the conversion, what we are now going to do it, conversion tools in GIS. So I take conversion file, and I'm just converting, not to KML, it is from KML to layer. It is from, because we have digitized over there. I'm just showing the file name as land. I'm now converting it and then give OK to the output file. So automatically this will be, you see that on the bottom it is processing. And you will be able to get your conversion video. right? Sorry, conversion data, camel, I mean layer to camel. You can change because this is like a point data. You can change if you want to work with different symbol selectors. The size and all you can change, color and all you can change. Now it is matching with our map exactly. Either from I mean ArcGIS database shapefile into real system KML or KML to the layer file. On both the way we can do. That is the specialty of this now. This conversion feature to polygon came to layer, layer to KML, or feature to line, or line to feature. Everything is it is possible through this. With this, the lecture is come to an end. Thank you.